In the heart of southeastern Nigeria lives a people known for resilience, intelligence, and industry. The Igbo story is one of the greatest stories of resilience in Africa. Before the world recognized their success, the Igbo people had already built a legacy. Their traditions were vibrant, their festivals powerful, and their culture deeply rooted in honor, family, and community. But history tested their strength. During the Biafran War, the land faced unimaginable suffering. Through hunger, loss, and destruction, the Igbo spirit refused to break. When the war ended, many returned home with nothing. But through determination and relentless hard work, they began rebuilding everything. Today, the Igbo are known across Africa for entrepreneurship, innovation, and unstoppable ambition. From small market stalls to global businesses, the Igbo story became a symbol of resilience. A people who turned pain into power and struggle into success. This is the spirit of Igbo. From war and hardship to global success, this is the spirit of Igbo.